You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, meaning a stage in French. So especially like a stage on the Tour de France, for example. So a step during like a race that has different steps, different stages, okay? Étape, étape is how it is said. So it normally has an accent, acute accent on the E, étape. Étape is how you say it in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.